Come on a trip with us to Java. Introducing Mountain Mo, Hossam, Rachel and Rhiannon. Day 2. First thing, coffee. I flew the drone to see the views around us. 3 cute local kids came over, smiling, waving and running around excitedly. Then we set off to our first destination of the day. The first bits of the road were super bumpy and I thought my brain was going to be rattled out. This video doesn't do it justice. But soon we were back on smoother roads and we made it to our first stop. We paid 2k parking and then 5k entry to Jagier Waterfall. The waterfall was stunning and we were soon surrounded by some local kids wanting to take pictures, followed by some ladies who took a liking to Hossam. We walked back to the bikes, then headed to our next location. We drove through loads of rice terraces, through this archway and down a skinny little road. It was terrifying. Then we arrived at Sendang Seruni. We paid 5k entry each, then proceeded down the stairs for some food and a swim. The water was freezing. For lunch, we had coffee and rice and chicken. And this cute little cat sat next to us. Just some more cats for you. We headed back to the villa and had some Indonesian snacks. As you can see, we approved. Also failing to get into the banana chips. With bags on our backs, we were ready to set off on our next leg of the journey. We left the villa and drove 111 kilometres or 69 miles to Jimber, where we were going to stay for the night, stopping to see some sights along the way. Along the way, we went through rice terraces and Google Maps took us along the bumpiest roads it could find. We got back on the main road and then decided to make a pit stop to Dejwatan Forest, where we paid 20k entry each. But watch out for that bee venom. Very dangerous. We climbed up into one of the Trembesi trees to see the view. And it was worth it. We also found a massive spider who's as big as your hand. It felt like we were in Avatar. The trees were amazing. And of course, we had to get a view from above. Look at that coverage. Here we have Mo climbing the big tree. And now Hossam. You know who made it. Rachel. And Rhiannon. Tell us in the comments who climbed the tree the worst. Ants hard at work. We got back on the road again, and of course we stopped for snacks. Mo buying avocado coffee, and we just looked at the drinks. That's £5. Hossam was trying some of our snacks from earlier. and he approves. We continued driving through the night along the wiggly mountain roads. It was crazy. We arrived at Jimber and found some local markets. We sat down for some chicken satay with peanut sauce. It was so delicious. We drove 5 minutes and we arrived at our accommodation for the night. This is me and Rachel's room. No blankets, only a fan, no aircon, and our bathroom, where we had a local toilet and had to have an Indonesian style shower with a bucket. Like and subscribe to see what happens next. Day 3 coming soon.